Hey guys, this is X-Ray's room, and I'm Super Tato.
No. I'm X-Razor. You're Super Tato.
That's what I said.
No. I say I'm X-Razor. Hey. Stop it. Let go. I'm not gay. I'm not gay.
Neither am I. Just pushing it down to the floor. Yeah, we might look a little different, but you say?
Go to Spin the Hell 1. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below. Check it out. And yeah.
Say that we look a little different, but we are.
No.
You go.
Don't put me like a sissy. You go.
Yeah, we might look different. He's adopted.
Well, I'm not adopted.
Alright, he's gonna leave a link down below.
I said that.
Yes, I know, I'm just reminding them you freaking.
I remind them. I left a link below. Check it out.
You have no idea how much I want to punch you in the stomach.
You know how really much I want you down that chair right now. Spin to Hell 2. Welcome.
Yep, guys, just enjoy and laugh your faces off until you die.
Just get the fuck on the chair. Get the fuck on the chair. Get the fuck on the chair.
Yeah, guys, you might go flying off the chair today! Oh, balls, I wanna fly. Oh! Oh.
That's what look a plank is. Carnage. Alright, my turn.
I guess that was payback from
Yes.
yesterday, from the rehearsal.
What?
Rehearsal, remember yesterday we rehearsed to make sure nothing goes wrong.
Fuck. Oh, you dare hit me in the balls? I'm not kidding. I will close my eyes because it's reduced spinning. It doesn't reduce spinning. I just lied. It just. I only hit you once. You spin like a pussy. You still spin like a pussy. You spin like a little girl. Be your to dig the shit down with me.
Oh!
And the balls.
Stop, dude, seriously.
And everyone.
Dude, in every one of our videos, you get entertained. You said you said if I go down the chair, it's gonna go with me. Guys, I think he passed out. Are you okay? Dude. Dude. Okay.
No, don't end the video just yet. Come over here. I think I'm bleeding too much. Take the pillow off. The pillow. I'm eating it, dog. Hey guys. Farewell.